Okay. You're on candid camera.
Just keep your hand there. Yeah. We're gonna. This is like to put your habitual movement. You know, your hand is always controlling. The hand is always there. You know. Wait for the next movement. You know. Come out here. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. Don't take out your hand this way. You know. Always remove it. Don't like this. Some are weakness like this. That when you strike. This is bad habit. Always take one because, as I said, that once in corto, always engaging with the hand, you know, like this, engaging with the hand, controlling each other. Once you will like that, this is gonna be come up there, whatever, it's gonna be punch, whatever. So it means that you have no idea when when this strike will come, you know. If you take out your hand, then I can strike your hand this way because you have no more contact. But your hand is still there. It means that any movements that I do, you're gonna feel it. If I glance there, you see that? Up here, you see that? So that is the control. See that? If I come up here, so your hand gonna react right away. So what the movements is your coordination will be there. It means that your sensitivity is there. So never be once you touch the hand, once you touch the stick this way, you have to stay until the next movements will be given. That is, we do our habit one with the speed, you know, speed and accuracy of the strike. So from there, yeah, like that. Make sure that you do the good delivery. It goes here. There we face this one wherever this is any go somewhere anywhere. It's gonna be here. In reality, if not this one, I can focus on from here to the face. This is why when the module is this one. So this is also so we're gonna teach you how to counter it too. Somebody if you do it to me like that, you hold my hand that way. Yeah. Here, right? So this is also the counter, you know. So for the practice is there, but if you counter or if you do like this, is also counter. See that? So it means that you cannot deliver your strike because if they striking me, you strike with it, I can control this way. See that? So if I can disarm you this way. You go to this hand that way. Whatever, you know, so it come up then like that, you hold my hand there. From there, you can grab this way also. Bring it there. So that's all right. Okay, so that is also for disarming. It's also everything is there. Everything is there. What we're gonna do is just we practice our movements first, the body, mechanics, the way you strike, response are very quick response, you know. So that's why we keep repeating this, you know. Only everything is there. Like this, if you come here, you see that? You come up here, sometimes if I do here, because I strike it there. When you go here, you can feel this thing, you see that? If you want to disarm, you know, once I come up here, it's not the thing, see? Your reaction will be you feel that. So I have to flip this thing. So the application is already there, you know. So we just only keep repeating this in order for your quick reaction, you know. Yeah. So move over there. Because sometimes too close, you know. Yeah, that's good. One, two. Automatic clearing, right? Now you're gonna see that what is your hand now moving. If your hand now is clearing, the most important thing, the movement, the clearing movement, because of clearing there. See? So That's the main thing. So from there, you clear it again. See? That's some important thing. Okay. All right. That is the control. That your timing and your coordination. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, sometimes you get it the wrong way. Because you have glasses. Yeah, this one. Sometimes come up here. Yeah. That's right. Have a forward. Keep body like that. Yeah. It's good. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.